tunnel?
Painting!
No!
Painting!
No!
Kyra know me!
Good job.
Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. Today we're gonna paint.
Can you count how many characters we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good job. Wait a minute, Kyra. Can you pick one character to paint?
I will pick Hello Kitty.
Okay, how about you, Kuya Enzo? What character will you pick?
I will paint it.
What color do you want to paint Hello Kitty with?
Pink.
Okay, you can start now. Pink.
Pink.
You're gonna put pink on what?
Hello Kitty.
On her face or body?
Face.
Face.
I'm not very pink.
How about you, Enzo?
I'm gonna paint him blue.
Blue. And Hello Kitty pink.
Orange for Hello Kitty's body.
Orange for Hello Kitty's body. Wow, what a nice combination. What are you wearing today, Kyra?
What's in that suit?
Wow, you look pretty today.
I also picked blue.
You'll pick blue and put it where?
In the water.
In the water?
Yes, and paint it.
And paint it on what?
And a foot.
Let me see how you do it.
I also pick yellow.
You're gonna pick yellow.
Why he's yellow foot.
And one yellow. How about you, Enzo?
I am painting his face yellow.
Mickey Mouse is yellow. I thought his face is black.
Got no black.
See, sorry, we have no blood.
It's okay. We can use other colors.
Blue.
Yeah.
Let's make it. Let's wait for the blue.
Okay. How about when you mix red and blue? What color are you gonna create?
Yellow.
When you put red and blue together, you're gonna make purple. Yes, can you try to do it? See? You made a purple color by mixing red and blue.
Kyra, you make a rainbow kitty.
Yeah,
Oh, it's paper.
it's purple. How about when you mix red and yellow?
Red and yellow.
Yeah.
Orange.
When you mix red and yellow, you're gonna make color.
Orange!
Good job! Okay, mix it and put it on your painting.
It's orange.
It's orange.
Yes.
In?
Can you put water here?
Yeah, you can. Do you know what are the primary colors? What are those?
Red, yellow, blue.
Good job! Those are the primary colors. What are the secondary colors?
Orange, green, purple.
Purple, green, and orange. Great job! Are you done with your artwork?
Not yet.
Okay.
That's what they're talking about.
Wow. Okay, you can choose another one and make a new design.
I will make it. I will put it here. Okay. I will pick this.
Okay.
What is his name?
His name is Melody.
Mommy, do you know what the rainbow have 7 colors?
Rainbow has 7 colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
I'm gonna make a rainbow rabbit.
A rainbow rabbit?
Yes.
Let me see your creation, Enzo.
Spooky.
Oh.
Can I see it too?
Here.
Spooky.
Whoa, so spooky.
Can I paint spookies too?
Okay, you can create a spooky bear.
Red, yellow, blue, green, penguins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 colors. Great job.
Pick this.
Okay, pick the orange one. Where are you gonna paint it? Okay, put water on it. Wow.
It's the water.
It looks like orange red.
Yeah, orange red.
Are you having fun, Enzo?
Yes.
How about you,
Wait,
Kyra?
orange red.
Orange red. I think it should be called red orange.
Red orange.
Yes, those are tertiary colors. Do you think colors are important?
Yes.
Why?
Because they mix together to make a rainbow.
Really? And it's pretty when you see a rainbow?
Yeah.
The wings.
So spooky.
Is that Stitch?
Yes.
And
Wow.
he's so spooky.
He's so spooky too. Great artwork, guys. What are you doing, Kyra? Don't lick it.
Hey, mine.
That's dirty.
Kids, documents after you paint. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Woo! Great singing, guys.
It's the spooky bear.
Let me see. Can you put it down?
Okay. Spooky bear.
Ooh.
Why sad?
He's sad? Oh, I think he's sad because you don't have colors yet. So what do you need to do?
Pink hair.
Yeah. After you paint him, he'll be happy.
He's getting more happier.
Wow.
He's getting more happy because I'm painting him. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Woo! Great singing.
He's happy now.
Is he?
Yes.
Let me see his face. Wow, he's smiling.
Done. Oops, I already got them. Like a chair. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.